The Booba Show. Magic tricks. Here comes Booba. I wonder what magic trick we'll see today. Oh, and here's his friend.
Welcome, Booba, to my magic show. Today, I'll show you a bottle trick. Look, this is an ordinary bottle. And now I'll say the magic words. Rizik pizik, kocharizik, hocus pocus, trulala!
Incredible! How did he do that?
Did you like it? Want me to tell you the secret behind it?
Yes, please.
Look, you bend this part, and I stick the cap here. When I tap it, the cap drops out. Did you like it, Booba? Want to try it yourself?
Now it's Booba's turn to do the magic trick.
It's really empty.
Booba looks like a real magician. But where's the cap?
Booba, don't get upset. Remember what I told you. You can do it.
Booba, try again. He did it! So many caps. Bravo, Booba.
Booba, how did you do that? That's real magic. You're a wizard. High five.
That was an amazing magic trick. DIY. Here comes Booba. I wonder why he needs a hat.
Hi, Booba. Are you picking out a hat?
That's a tough choice, Booba.
This one suits you for sure.
I agree.
You look like a star. Let me try it on too. This one's too big. Here, you take that one. Oh, this one looks good on me.
It really does.
Here you go. But you know, Booba, something's missing from your look.
What could it be?
A friendship necklace.
A friendship necklace?
Let's try it on. No, like this, from the other side. Booba, please sit down. It still doesn't fit. It's too small for you.
How disappointing.
But don't worry. What if we make a huge friendship necklace that's just for you? That'll be fun, right? Let's do it.
What a great idea.
Wow, look at all of this stuff. Oh, and here's the guide. Okay, we'll need a thick thread or a cord and some pretty beads. Got it. Oh, look, Booba. What a lovely yellow ribbon. Oh, that's turning out so nice. I'll make one too.
They look like real ribbon dancers.
It's so fun playing with you. All right, now let's go finish up our super friendship necklace. Look, this ribbon is the perfect fit. We just need to add some pretty beads. Here they are. Oh, but they're too small for you, Booba. We need another idea. Got any, Booba? Come on. Maybe these ones? What is he thinking of now? Wow, Booba, what's that?
What does Booba have in the box?
So many things. Wow, that is a lot. Okay, let's put this box away. Thank you. Look, ta-da! Look what I can do. Okay, let's finish up our friendship necklace here. You can hold this, and I'll take that one so we can hold up the balloon. And this, up, up, and these ones. Finally, the friendship necklace is ready, so let's put it on you, Booba.
What a beautiful friendship necklace.
Uh-huh.
It suits Booba perfectly.
Booba, now your look is complete. High five.
Guess what? Here comes Booba.
Oh, hi, Booba. Wow, what a cool box you've got. Can I see what's inside?
Yes, what's in the box?
Okay. Can I have a clue then?
Yes, can we have a clue?
Uh-huh, you're dipping something. Booba, you're painting, and I think it's a brush.
Is it a brush?
All right, can I have another clue? Maybe it's a kite?
Is it a kite?
Oops, wrong again. Well, can you give me the last clue?
I wonder what it...
So, first I thought it was a brush, then I thought it was a kite, and now I think it's a soap bubble maker. Okay, let's check. Open it, Booba.
It is soap bubbles.
I guessed it. Come on, Booba. Let's play. This is so fun!
What a joyful game. Look at all the bubbles.
So cool!
Bye-bye, friends. The Booba Show.